Hi there folks, Kevin Anderson coming to you from Eastview RV again. Look, usually when you see my face, I'm talking to you about our fantastic lineup of new and pre-owned RV units. But today we're going to talk a little bit about the unsung heroes of our business, our parts, service, and accessories department. Here at Eastview RV, customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. That's why our parts, service, and accessories department takes great pride in servicing our clients. Our excellent parts team is always ready to help customers find exactly what they're looking for, whether that be replacement parts or accessories like satellite TV antennas, electric tongue jacks, solar installations, and much, much more. Our certified service technicians are ready to help with any RV preparation, repair, or accessory installation necessary to get you on your RV adventure as soon as possible. When it comes to parts, service, and accessories, the team at Eastview RV is dedicated to meeting all of your needs. Come in and see us at 224 Government Road East in Kapuskasing or at 3449 Highway 101 West, just past Kamiskotia Rd in Timmins, to see what Eastview RV's parts, service, and accessories department has to offer you. Eastview RV, right parts, right accessories, right service, right now.